Welcome to Smart India Robotics.
In this video tutorial we can learn what is resistor and how to use resistor in LED. Resistor is defined as a passive electrical component with two terminals that are used for either limiting or regulating the flow of electric current in electrical circuits. The SI unit of resistor is ohm. There are two basic types of resistors, linear resistor and nonlinear resistor. Now we can connect different resistor to the LED and see what's happening. Connect the LED and note the terminal. Take 2.2 ohm resistor. Connect one terminal to positive of the LED and other side connect to any points to provide positive voltage. Connect 200 ohm resistor, one terminal to positive of LED, other terminal to provide voltage. Connect 470 ohm resistor, one terminal to positive of LED, other terminal to provide voltage. Connect 47 kilo ohm resistor, one terminal to positive of LED, other terminal to provide voltage. Take 3-volt battery holder with battery and connect one male-to-male jumper wire to the negative of the battery holder and other side to the negative of LED. Connect one more male-to-male jumper wire to the battery positive and other side connect to each resistor and absorb the brightness of the LED. If the resistance is low, the current flow will be high and LED brightness will be high. In 2.2 ohm, the LED brightness is high. In 200 ohm, the brightness reduced. In 470 ohm, brightness is very low. In 4.7 kilo ohm, the current flow is low and the LED is not glowing. So, in this video, we have learned the use of resistor. If the resistance is high, the current flow will be low, and if resistance is low, the current flow will be high.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact us.